Hey guys,
What's up?
what's up? Monday barbecue. For all, like every Monday, we have Caribbean night barbecue.
Pablo is a chef.
Ho ho,
Yeah, man, good.
huh? Towel and dip, and this
Hi.
gopi,
You guys?
gopi.
Good? Yeah.
All good, man. So what you're cooking tonight, man?
It's a live barbecue going to be had.
So getting ready for the barbecue with haggles. Haggles is a haggle day. This for tonight. See, look at the weathers can change every time. Cloudy, cloudy, cloudy. Like 5 minutes ago, it's so, like so nice. Sun shines out, but now you have a lot of cloud. So that is the bar over there, and this is the barbecue over here tonight. Bread pudding, rum cake, coconut macaron, and the spaggles. And this Tony over here. Well, again, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, The Naked Mixology. This is Mr. T. This is gonna be grilled chicken and pork ribs. And this is not the chef. This is just a chef
Assistant.
over here. Yeah, assistant chef. So yeah, it's a backup chef. That's what he said. Hey, I was thinking. Hey, welcome to the welcome to the Wyndham. See, the weather is when you visit me, the weather is so nice, man.
Yeah.
Really nice. And then now look at this, cloudy. It's trying to make ready everything.
Oh, yeah, yeah, good.
Yeah.
You see,
So, dip. There's dip. It might rain anytime soon, but we'll see how it goes. Right? So this is the dessert. This is not the coleslaw. This is the soup food today. It's a Jamaican pumpkin chicken soup. Over here. That's for tonight. A Caribbean style rice and beans. Still not here. And this is the plantain. Plantain is like, it looks like banana, but when you check Google it's not a banana. Yeah, man, I checked this one, the plantain. If there's like family of banana, and there's rice and beans over here. I think ready for tonight. So excited. Exciting. Hey, Amanda. You got the mahi Cayman style with all the ingredients. Look at this. Oh yeah, nice, eh? And then you got the snapper, this escabit style. There's one. Come every Monday. We have this Caribbean night every Monday at the Wyndham. Every Monday. And the jerk chicken. There's no jerk yet. This is the bread pudding. This is our dessert. Okay, bread pudding. Edip. It's today. So nice down here. You see? Look at this beach. Beach. So nice. That's our dock. And there's a Mertz resort in that area. It's so cloudy right now. So all of a sudden the weather in Cayman can change anytime. But well, this is the time of year that you can see all kind of the stuff. But somehow most of it is really good actually. That is. It looks amazing down here every day. So we try our best. Bar. What is that? Strawberry daiquiri?
Raspberry.
Raspberry. All water. Water. There's a water. It's a virgin colada. It's raining. Back again.
Thank you. We gotta go back because
Chef.
we're in 1 minute.
So it's all grilled down here. This chef. What can I say? Please always don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, The Naked Mixology, and my Instagram, Naked Mixology, and then my Facebook page also, The Naked Mixology. I got all those. Nah.